Hi everyone. This is William Galley from Anchorage, Alaska, sending you greetings with regards our 50th grand reunion. So I'm sorry, hindi ako makakarating kasi alam niyo na, busy, nandito tayo sa Amerika. But anyhow, I would like to thank Miss Marisa Nario for letting me know about this, asking me for if I could send this message. But also, nandiyan naman yung mga kaklase ko from 4th year section 3 under Miss Padrinao, batch 75. Andiyan naman sila Miss Nenita Bellorante, Miss Jocelyn Tijada, si Parin Tony Ang, so Benedict Arellano, so just to name a few. And again, sorry hindi ako makakarating, but anyhow, just enjoy the reunion. Thank you.
Hello.
Bye-bye.
I just want to say a big welcome and a big hello to the batch of 1975 Caloocan High School students. I'm so happy about this momentous occasion, and I really wish I could spend time with you there and join you in the celebration. I would have very much loved to celebrate your love, your lives, your accomplishments, your successes, and your journey in life all these past 50 years. Wow. It seems like only yesterday. But anyway, hopefully next time I can join you all. Have a lot of fun. We have great memories, but tonight, make new ones. And my prayer for you is Romans 15:13. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in Him, with overflowing hope through the power of the Holy Spirit. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello, classmates of batch 75. It's me again. I created an earlier film clip, but Audrey graciously informed me that I referred to us as batch of 74. So I'm doing a retake, and again, I wish I could find the time to join you in our 50th golden reunion, but unfortunately, work is keeping me from going home. Anyway, wish you guys all the best. I hope everybody's got a great time, and I know you will, like I did back in January of last year when I went home, and we had a mini reunion at Shakey's. Again, have fun, take lots of pictures, and hello to everyone.
Hello po, magandang gabi. Ako, ang gaganda naman nyo. I could see na puro kayo look great tonight. Siyempre, mga classmates, ako po si Faye Kupkupin, ngayon nabiamos na po. I'm talking to you on the other side of the world kasi po, nandito po ako sa Chicago ngayon kasi I was supposed to come, alam niya ni Gigi, ka-chat ko siya, Gigi, diba? I know you're there. I was so excited first nang nalaman ko kay Audrey na magre-reunion tayo. Wow, 50 years, imagine. Hindi natin marirepeat yan. And we're so blessed that we're alive and strong, di ba po? Na inabot natin ang 50 years reunion natin. But unfortunately, I cannot be with them or with you guys. Kasi I have a family situation here na kailangan kong i-cancel yung aking trip. But anyway, I know all of you are so excited, syempre. Yung mga kahit alam ko mga masasakit ang tuhod dyan, masakit ang balakang, and able na umattend, kakayanin kasi this is one of the best for sure. Kaya ako, super inggit ako syempre, pero what can I do, diba? I'm happy for all of you guys. I know, yung diet, wala mo na yan. So, enjoy each moment kainin nyo lang kung ano nandyan. You have to enjoy. Yung sumayaw-sayaw kayo kahit masakit ang tuhod. Inom lang ng maintenance, talagang ganun, di ba? That's life. Kaya nga, we're so blessed. We're so strong and positive thinker. That's what we need, di ba? Para humaba ang buhay natin. Even though merong pain, merong lows, we still have to, think na tomorrow is another day and more positive blessings, will come on our way. So, sorry again, hindi ako makakasama dyan sa inyo, but I'm happy for all of you. Again, enjoy kayong lahat. Siyempre, yung mga chikahan natin dyan, kahit hindi ako kasama, enjoy each moment dahil hindi na yan mauulit. Hopefully, after 5 years, our 55 years anniversary, reunion, anniversary, parang wedding, maka-attend ako in God's time. Kaya ngayon, enjoy muna kayo dyan, syempre. Have a good time, and God bless us all. Hopefully, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye na po. Good night.
Hello, good morning or good evening there. My name is Jocelyn Guerrero. I'm here in Chicago, Illinois. Happy 50th anniversary reunion to all of you. Take lots of photos, videos. Enjoy tonight, dance the night away. I'm gonna miss all of you because of my daughter's wedding. We're busy preparing for it. But hopefully we can get together again next time and we'll all still be healthy by that time. Thank you to all organizers, Marisa, Audrey, Malu, all donors, and especially Nap for your generosity. Last time we enjoyed the Sapphire anniversary, our 45th reunion, but tonight is special because it's a special milestone because it's our 50th grand reunion. Enjoy. God bless, and I love you all. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Johnny Ablasa, fourth year, Section 6. High school was a very important part of our lives. Thinking about it brings back good memories of the past with our teachers and classmates. High school, I believe, is a foundation of what we have achieved and what we are now. I believe most of you out there are living an amazing lives. CHS Batch 75, mabuhay kayong lahat, and may God bless you all.
Happy New Year, classmates, 2025. I wish I was there to join your milestone celebration. So glad that you're able to celebrate this reunion. Maybe another time I'll be able to do that as well and meet up with everyone. I also want to acknowledge the organizers that I'm sure have worked so diligently to make this celebration a success. Audrey, Marisa, Cesar. Sorry if I miss anyone else. Everyone stay safe, be happy and healthy. I wish more blessings for each and every one of you. Enjoy yourselves. Love you all. Maria Luisa Pavia Cordova, aka Malu. Bye.